Hello, I am Dr. Chandramohan, Head of the Department of Urology and Andrology, Medicity Hospital. I did my surgical training from All India Institute of Medical Sciences and Post-Graduation Institute of Medical Sciences, Chandigarh. And I did MRCS from UK and DNB in Urology from Pune. Urological problems are commonly stone-related problems, prostate-related problems, infertility and sexual dysfunction. If you take stone problem, commonly these patients present with right or left side loin pain which is radiating to lower abdomen or groin. The pain will be very severe, and during that time patient will have difficulty in passing urine. At the same time, sometimes patient may get blood in the urine. Sometimes you may not be able to pass urine also. In diabetic patients, these type of stones may cause fever also. So, whenever you get pain in the right side or left side of the loin, and that means back side on either side of the central bone, you think of stone. Initially, anybody will advise ultrasound scan and X-ray abdomen to detect these small stones. Preferably, these ultrasounds should be reported and seen by the radiologist and the urologist, so that they can understand what is the size of the stone, where it is located. If the stone size is less than 4 millimeters, you can manage conservatively without any major treatment, that is surgical treatment. If the stone is more than 4 millimeters in the kidney, still we can give some medicines like alkalizing agents to make the urine more dilute and dissolve this stone, but only few stones will dissolve like this. If stone is bothering the patient again and again, particularly if it is in the ureter, that is tube between the kidney and bladder, it causes more pain, then we may need to do blasting procedures. Nowadays, blasting is of various methods. One is old ESWL, where you will blast from outside. Stone may completely fragment or may not fragment, and they have to pass freely in the natural passages. Latest technology is we go through the urethra into the bladder, into the ureter and to the kidney, see the stone and blast. This blasting is also previously air based blasting. Now laser blasting has come, so you can see any part of the kidney, remove any small or big stone with laser without cutting the patient, and patient can go home on the same day, maximum next day morning.